Welcome, Bobcat Nation, to week 4 of A Minute for MCAP. In this video, I will be showing you how to access the English Language Arts, ELA, and Math MCAP practice tests, along with the answer keys to the practice tests. To access the practice test, first go to support.mdassessments.com. Click on the Test Preparation tab and select Practice Tests. Scroll until you see both the ELA and Math practice test options. We'll look at the ELA practice test first. Scroll down and select the Grade 10 option. The practice test is available in 2 versions, computer-based and paper-based. Your child will be taking the official MCAP exam online, so choosing the computer-based option will be a more realistic experience. On the left side of the screen, it states the number of sections in the test and the number of questions in each section. When you're ready to begin the exam, click Start. Instructions are provided at the beginning of each section. Read through the instructions and then click Start. You are now in the practice test. After your child completes all 3 sections of the practice test, a score report will be generated. The score report lists the points your child earned for each question. You have the option to print the score report if you'd like. The constructive response questions are not graded by the computer, but there are rubrics available that can help you assess how well your child did. Please watch last week's video for directions on how to access these rubrics. Next, we'll look at the math practice tests. In this video, we will be looking at the Algebra 1 practice test. Just like for ELA, there are both computer-based and paper-based options. On the left side of the screen, it states the number of sections in the test and the number of questions in each section. When you're ready to begin the exam, click Start. Instructions are provided at the beginning of each section. Read through the instructions and then click Start. You are now in the practice test. Just like the ELA practice test, after your child completes all sections, a score report will be generated listing the points your child earned for each question. The constructive response questions are not graded by the computer, but there are rubrics available that can help you assess how well your child did. Directions on how to access these rubrics can be found in last week's video. The score reports for both the ELA and math practice tests tell you how well your child did, but they do not tell you what the correct answer should have been if your child answered a question incorrectly. That information can be found in the answer keys. The answer keys are located with the practice test, so to access them, follow the same directions as before. Here is the answer key to the Grade 10 ELA practice test. Once you're on the ELA practice test screen, you can change to the math practice test by selecting the mathematics button at the top right of the screen. Here is the answer key to the Algebra 1 practice test. Thank you for watching the 4th and final video in the A Minute for MCAP series. Good luck on the MCAP, Bobcat Nation. You've got this.